In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson EcoTank ET-2710 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to search for Epson EcoTank ET-2710 support. Go ahead and search for that. And you may just have to scroll down a little bit, and there should be a support page that says Epson EcoTank ET-2710 support. Go ahead and open up that link, and this should be on Epson's website here. And there should be an option underneath downloads to select the Epson product setup. Go ahead and select that and then download. And once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file. Select yes, should be a verified publisher. And you can minimize or close out the web browser at this point, and then just proceed with the on-screen setup wizard here. You can make configuration changes, whether you want to have a wired or wireless based connection basically. And if there's any optional features or product updates you want to enable, you're welcome to do so through the following screens. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.